Hello.
Hey guys, this is Anna. I'm the founder and developer of Aiesthetic.
Hi, I'm Rahul and I'm the marketing head of Aiesthetic.
Today we are launching Aiesthetic version 2 that will completely change how you generate or create images and videos using AI. There are a lot of generative tools in the AI, and I will talk about what are the problems that users face while generating image or video using AI. The first problem that the user faces is the box problem. Every generative website that you visit start with a box. You have to give a prompt, and there's where the problem comes in. The AI is wanting you to tell him in words. That is very much difficult. So
This text prompting leads to guesswork. यहाँ पे हमें guess करना पड़ता है कि ये हमें क्या output देगा.
and when you like generate something using AI, and you want to edit it, you want some few changes. Suppose the model that you generated is wearing a black tracksuit. Now you want that he should wear a white one, some stripes on it. So you give it a prompt again, and here starts the guesswork. You start like losing the LLM starts drifting and hallucinating.
For example, अगर मैंने कोई prompt दिया है और फिर उसके बाद और एक और prompt देता हूँ, तो वो क्या करता है, वो कभी कभी मेमोरी लूज कर देता है और हमें कोई और आउटपुट देता है. सो बेसिकली इफ यू गिव अ लॉन्गर स्टैक ऑफ प्रॉम्प्ट्स यू विल गेट अ बेटर क्वालिटी आउटपुट. तो प्रॉम्प्ट अच्छा होगा तो ही आउटपुट अच्छा होगा. तो इसी बात को हम लोग ध्यान रखे हुए हम लोग ने बनाया है एस्थेटिक.
So basically, the higher the prompt, the higher the output. But everyone is not technical. No one knows, like most of the people in India or anywhere doesn't know the technicality or the richness of a prompt that the LLM accepts. If you define your prompt very concisely, the output will come out very much sharp or in a nice output. But this solution, this thing that the user have to give the prompt is the complicated one. That's why we built AI aesthetic. With AI aesthetic, you can start promptless. You don't need to give a prompt. You just have to give a reference image. You show the website that you want this kind of image, and the AI aesthetic that is trained on a model called MOM, multi-context memory model. That basically keeps the reference image in the memory, so that the pipeline that you connect throughout and generate multiple images doesn't hallucinate or drift. So each generation is consistent across the pipeline.
So let's start with the demo.
Yeah, we should. So okay, right. So this is the website, the brand new aesthetic version 2.0, the right way to use generative AI. We'll just scroll the website and just give you first the looks of the website, then we'll talk on how it actually works. So here comes the hero video. These are the tools that you will be getting in AI aesthetic to use it more efficiently. With the help of these tools in the playground, you can leverage and take out the 100% efficiency of generative LLMs. So the first thing is frames. So what happens when you are generating something? You are not generating that goes in vain. You generate something and use it as your first frame. Then for the end frame, you can just give a simple prompt, and without losing the context of the first frame, the LLM generates the end frame, and with just a one click you can convert that image into a controlled and precise studio grade visual. Now the subject photography, I would like to tell Rahul about the subject photography something.
So in subject photography, you add a reference image of a model, and then अभी हम लोग देखते हैं बहुत से रील पे, लाइक अभी फॉर एग्जांपल जो ट्रेंडिंग रील आया था
धुरंधर मूवी और
धुरंधर मूवी
समथिंग,
का
या
जो, तो वहाँ पे लोग बोल रहे थे कि इसका प्रॉम्प्ट क्या है, प्रॉम्प्ट क्या है, वो डाल रहे हैं। तो हम लोग ने ऐसा किया है कि अगर इसमें प्रॉम्प्ट डालने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, आप जस्ट रेफरेंस इमेज डालोगे, फिर अपना सब्जेक्ट इमेज डालोगे, एंड देन यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट जस्ट लाइक द रेफरेंस इमेज.
exactly, without losing any of the context or environment assets. Now let's see what is variation. So this, as you can see, the images generated in the pipeline are always always consistent because of the MOM, the multi-context overfitting memory model. This keeps the reference image in the memory so that each of the generation that we are doing further stays always in consistency, right? Now here we are showing you the connect to images tool. This connect to images tool helps you talk make the LLM talk between two images. There are two images in the playground. You can simply choose to talk between two images by connecting them via a node. And this is what the memory model looks like, multi-context overfitting memory model. You just tell show the model the reference image, and it handles all. You don't have to think like you need to be a prompt engineer or something. You can create stunning and studio quality shots just by giving a reference image and deriving your thoughts. Now let's continue on our way to the exploration of UI of this website. So is in this section, this is the get inspired section. This section will be totally driven to the community. As we know, AI has been sufficient enough to like generate cinematic shots. So the day is not very too far, so that people can be and could be generating multiple like cinematic studio quality directed storylines, and this needs a platform to be showcased. So there is a section that's completely dedicated to the community. Now we will come to the plan and pricing section at the end of the video. Now let's explore the FAQs. So the FAQs you can see here are like you can visit this later also. We should like
या
really
पहले तो हम लोग को डेमो देखना है क्योंकि
yeah, we should cut the chase and directly come to demo, but I'll just take you a little bit of just 2 more minutes to showcase you the entire website. And here comes the footer, and this is our logo. This logo has a meaning. It's like you can extract the elements and aesthetics from existing photo and completely generate one new. So let's jump directly in the playground, and when you click on this CTA, you come to this beautiful dashboard where you can see your generated projects. You will be seeing this once you generate it. Then you have the inspiration section over here. As I was talking to you about the community, the people that will be generating visuals using models, they will be showcased over here. How it works can be shown over here. How do you use this website? Simply you upload a reference image, You upload a content image, and then boom, you get multiple variations, no prompting at all. And then you can convert those images to videos without giving complex prompting. The AI aesthetics MOM models does it in its own, so that you don't have to do it. Okay, the how it works ends, and here is one refer a friend thing. So we are a emerging thing, and we want the word of mouth. So we have made this. You can refer any of your friend, and your friend joins, you get 10 bonus credits. Of course, you have this beautiful section over here where you can manage your credits, and you can see your plan details. The setting basically comes with only the name changes. Right now we are working, and actually tirelessly working on improving this thing on daily basis. Now let's come to the bigger part, right?
Yeah.
We should now take you to a demo where we would like to show you what we have achieved. So to enter the playground, you just have to click on this new project, and you just directly enter infinite playground canvas, where your creativity is the limit. Sky is the limit. I mean, literally, guys. You have these four tools over here. These are the primary tools, I would say it. These primary tools will be explained, I would say, by Rahul. That what can you do with this?
So first we'll go to the subject generation and just drag it over here. Now what is this? Like we have to upload a reference image. So when you click a reference image, you will go and select the reference image and upload the reference image. For example, let's take this Iron Man. Okay. Now it will analyze the style.
Actually, we should see what the reference image looks like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
So this is what the reference image looks like. We are trying to create this thing. Let's take it back and continue with the
Now
process.
what will you do is analyze the style. This tool will analyze the subject and will.
This tool basically does analyze your subject in very deep. It construct its memory, so it understands the reference image, its surrounding, what attire the reference image is in, the surrounding, the elements, his facial structure and everything, the expression, and then you upload your subject content image, like your own photo maybe. So you upload this and select the aspect ratio. We'll just continue with okay, let's say 9 to 6, 16 to 9. Let's go, and then click generate. And what it does, without letting you prompt or without any burden on yourself, it does everything on its own. It takes a reference image, it takes your content image, and with just a few seconds it generates multiple variations of it. On starting, it can be generated like two variation, as it will generate just now. So these two have been generated. You can choose to generate multiple angles over here. We will
Please show
continue
the
the
full
flow.
image of the
Yeah, sure.
thing.
So this is what the AI generated without giving any single prompt, and these were the variations. These are the variations. The memory model and the AI aesthetic model is advanced enough to just identify what you need, and what it's going to be generate. So now, what can we do in the further flow? So here are the tool options. These are, I would like to tell you about these tools. This is the zoom in and zoom out. These are the basic, and this is a connect to images tool, the tool that I was talking at the first time. You can connect two images and make them talk. Now I will come to this one later. This is a frame. I would like to talk about now the edit tool. What is the edit image tool? So you select this tool, you click over here, you get a node, right? Now you want to edit this image. Suppose you had a thought, and you just want that the vest that the model is wearing should be black. So what you do in current scenario, you just go to your generative UI, and you type a prompt and give it to him, and it may or may not uh, give you the perfect result. But look what the AI aesthetic can do. You can simply just drag to connect the image. The image is here, and you just simply say change the vest color to black. Okay, let's not complicate it. Just we'll give what we think. As you can be as simple as you want, doesn't matter. So just we will click on generate edit over here. We'll just wait maybe 10 to 15 seconds like it does, and see, no hallucination, no guesswork, you get what you type, isn't it?
या अगर मैंने चैट जीपीटी को अगर बोला होता कि बनियान का कलर ब्लैक कर दो, तो वो क्या करता हो, कभी कभी फेस ही चेंज कर देता या फिर पूरा हाथ वगैरह चेंज कर देता.
Yeah, you can literally look and compare
And it
these
is
two
exactly the
images.
same.
These two are identical. These two are identical. You can just minimize this if that's bothering
Yeah,
you.
this is crazy actually.
Yeah, these two are completely identical. And what you can do now next, let me explain you the frames. What is this? The frame tool. The frame tool let you use the complete let you use the generative AI at its complete efficiency. You can choose whatever images you have generated, and like give it let's say, let's connect the first frame to this one. Okay, I connected the first frame to this one, and for the last frame I want let's say the suited up motion. So okay, okay, let's connect it again. And the end frame, I am saying the model is suited up with a metallic, with a metal armor like Iron Man. Why not Iron Man? Okay, and then generate the end frame. That's it. No more complex prompting. The AI aesthetic is advanced enough to do it everything for you. And while it generates the end frame, see, it did generate, and you can describe the motion. Let's say up, uh, the suit up of model, the camera moves where the mechanical, let's say, assembly is going. The suit up is let's take it like Marvel level thing. Let's suit up in nanotechnology. Yeah, why not? The suit up is uh, done as done with nanotechnology. Oh my god, I'm speaking. Yeah. So we can select the duration over here. For the demo, we'll generate 4. We can go up to 12 seconds. The aspect ratio, and you can select the quality over here. You want the audio or not, will be clicked over here. Let's say I want the audio, and we'll click on 720p, let's say, and then just click on render video. That's it. No more complex prompting, no guessing for images and variations. Everything is in a neat pipeline. You can literally source your thinking. You have a storyline you just bring to this playground, and this playground will help you visualize your story. You are a brand owner or a CEO, you want to visualize your product. You just give your reference product to this thing and your actual product, and then see it visualized in your way, the way you want.
This is a like next level of AI filmmaking, right?
Yeah, it is. Actually, it is. See, you just made a sequence over here. You just made a sequence over here,
Yeah.
and once you like this sequence generates a video, you can again change the sequence. You can keep the first frame, and instead of saying the suit up, you can say something. He's on pajamas. He's on pajamas, and then you will see a generated image.
Bro, this is so cool.
You see
Chino.
this? This is what I am talking about. So this goes in infinite pipeline. You can literally change the motion right here. The suit up was in say nanotechnology, and I don't want nanotechnology, not now. I want to visualize in mechanical assembly. Let's say we will do mechanical assembly instead of nanotechnology. The suit up of the hero. The suit is being assembled part by part in mechanical uh, mechanical motion VFX. Okay, we just did that, and let's again render a video. So we had this one visualization, we can have one another, and guess what, you can have as much as you want. While this is generating this thing, let me show you one more interesting thing about the playground. While you are working in this particular tool, you can also drag up any of this tool, maybe a product, let's say. So the product generation started, and now you can like if okay, let's go with the flow, let's not
Yeah.
skip anything.
Huh.
So let's generate a product over here. We will take again a reference image just like that. Let's say we take this as a reference image. I'll show you the reference image once again. Okay, this is the reference image. I want my product to look like this. Like this is a studio quality. Some heavy camera photographer studio must have been charged around a lakh or something more to get this kind of professional photo shoot. And now you bring it over here. You just give it to it and say, bro, just analyze it. And it says, yes, why not? And then while it's still generating the video, let's not rush that. Mm, we will just analyze the reference image over here. Okay, it's done. And then you can upload your product image. Let's say this is my product image. It's a complete simple photo of a perfume bottle, and I took this one and said, bro, let's generate this. While you can look at this one also. Oh
Let's begin.
let's begin.
Let's begin.
Let's begin. All right, guys. So oh my god, sometimes I get amazed. Look at the shot, man. This is what you have created with just a reference image, no more complex prompting. And then you can see multiple variations. Each variation is different, so you get the bigger picture. You can always imagine the bigger picture, and the brand owners, the high-tech CEOs are like gonna love this product. I think so, won't they? And now, guess what? You want that your product, you missed something. You have like you thought there should be going a golden liquid, melted golden liquid should be flowing from here. My product would look so nice. And guess what, you can directly do that. You just have to click on the edit icon button and just bring the tool over here and simply connect it to the image and just tell him in simple word that molten molten gold uh, dripping from the wooden block wooden block. Let's keep it as simple. I don't want people to get complicated or think that they can't do this. Even in fact, they can actually do this. Anyone can do that. Anyone can do this right now. With this pipeline, who is there who cannot do
Yeah.
some this kind of generation?
But
Like
bro, listen.
say it like small business owners,
Yeah.
big CEOs, shopkeepers who want to like post their photos on
Yeah.
websites or blogs.
जो अभी अभी जिसने प्रोडक्ट अपना लॉन्च
Anyone.
किया है वो भी लाइक कर सकते हैं, अगर उनको कुछ ऐसा विजुअलाइज करना होगा या कुछ
Yeah,
लाइक
this is
दिस
so
इज
cool.
ग्रेट.
Like just this, and
बट
guess
क्या
what?
मैं बोलता हूँ, अगर जो मेरा इमेज है
हाँ.
उसके साथ मैं कनेक्ट कर सकता हूँ.
And you are speaking what I have created. So
ब्रो
you
दिस
want
इज, आर यू सीरियस? क्या ये दो इमेजेस कनेक्ट हो गए?
you want that this model should hold this product
Yeah.
without prompting.
Yeah.
So let's click on this tool and just drag it over here.
So this is a new tool.
Yeah, this is a new tool. You clicked on this one. Okay, let me just yeah, you clicked on this tool and now you have to click on two images. Those two images will be connected, so I would click on this one and this one. See, I connected two nodes and I'm running out of space. Let's quickly neat it out. Actually, we can do this so that the creativity doesn't break. That's the beauty of a open canvas. You can do whatever you want, and you want that this model should hold what you want.
I want to hold that perfume bottle like this, like showing it to the camera.
Okay, someone I think not in, but I'll continue the process. I'll show you that what Rahul just directed me to do. The model is holding. Okay, I'm not able to see it. I'll just zoom. The model is holding the product actually product and showing it to the camera. That's it. You might lose the creativity. You just have to focus it right here.
Okay.
So
Let's see.
what Rahul just asked that this model should hold the perfume bottle, and I just gave the prompt that Rahul just said, and okay, it must hallucinated something, but you can see it's holding, it's still holding the image, the product. You
This
can,
is actually looking good though.
yeah, it is. Everything is consistent. Something needs
I
to
think
be
you should write the prompt. What you have written? The model is
showing.
holding the product and showing it to the camera.
Okay, we should like say it perfume. So the product also included the complete picture. We should say the holding the perfume
In the left hand as well.
bottle in the left hand and showing it to the camera, right?
Yeah.
Let's say generate. So I think it.
If you guys have any
Okay.
questions,
Oh, okay. Right. So this is what Rahul must be talking about.
damn, this is what I thought.
This is what you are talking about. The model with the perfume bottle. Imagine you could do all this in a single playground, and it's not just that. You can also have the jewelry and the fabric features also, which let you generate your jewelry images on a subject without prompting.
This
Everything works like that.
this creates infinite possibilities here.
Yeah, it does actually. So let's
Let's
continue.
ask our public also what are their questions. If they have any question, please bring it on the chat. We'll answer everything.
Yeah.
So, like, I have a okay. There is one question.
Mhm.
Uh, yeah, Shreyas Singh yo.
Yes, you guys.
So, I have a question. If you use a jewelry
Hmm.
model, what if the model she will copyrighted her images?
The best thing, this image, this is your real image,
Yeah.
and this image right here, it may look exactly same, but it's not the image that you gave. It is generated from a text prompt.
Yes.
So text cannot be copyrighted. I didn't clone, I didn't deepfake it. I generated it with a text prompt. I analyzed it, analyzed the reference image and used your face,
Okay.
but didn't actually use your actual photo. It's a AI generated face, not your face. So it can never be copyright claimed, right? So any more questions, guys?
I guess we don't have any questions.
Okay, let's not rush everything.
So I guess this is it.
Yeah, this is it about the Aiesthetic version 2.0. You also get a light mode over here, so that if you are working in a broad daylight, you don't miss your creativity pipeline. You can see everything right here. And also one more important thing, how could I forget it? So if you are working over here and you just leave it and take a break, you can anytime, anywhere directly come back to your project, and you can see your generated images and videos that you are working, and you can continue the pipeline, so the pipeline never breaks and the creativity never stops, right? And let's now talk about the pricing.
Pricing power.
Yeah, how much do we charge for this thing? How much do the users need to give us? So this is what our pricing plan is. You can always start free. You will get 20 credits which you can use for like up to 4 images, uh, and 2 variations per image. You can create up to n variations you want. Right now we have capped it to 8, but it can always be thrown up to n. That depends upon the enterprise level need. So on the basic plan, you will we are starting to give our services for 199. That's around 150 credits per month, which you can generate up to 30 images and 4 variations per image. We use the right now we are using the Nano Brana Pro technology, and we can always shuffle it internally, since there are a lot of models coming in. You get all the features once you buy the pricing models. If you are in a free model, you still get a lot of creativity mark, but they are obviously capped. So there's always a boost pack, which like if you are a creator or a enthusiast or a studio or something, you definitely need this pack, because these packs give you the leverage to use without breaking your creativity limits.
So we have a question here. So it goes in the background processing.
Yes, it goes in the background processing. Like if you are talking about when I can return and resume the session, it does save your current progress to cloud.
Okay. Yeah. This is good. So finally, we are launching our new website.
Yes, guys, we have completely launched our new product, and now let's come back to a little bit of talking over here. So today is 6:35. Right now it's 6:35. The website will be live around before 7, and you can use the website however you want, in an ethical way, of course. And then you can start going promptless and using the 100% efficiency of the generative AIs, because generative AIs are smart enough, but there you don't have the right tool to use the smartness of the artificial intelligence. You need a platform. I would say it, I would like to end the session with an example. When I started learning UI UX, Figma is was a standard tool. You have to master Figma to get recognized in the world of UI designing. So why Figma? Because Figma provided the right set of tools, the right set of platforms where you can leverage your creativity. Now, AI Aesthetic has done the same. AI Aesthetic has set a benchmark where you can use the right efficiency of the generative models. You don't have to go to the text box to give it a text prompt and then start the guesswork and visualizing your product would be this, and then the model hallucinates because it doesn't have the context. So I would say AI Aesthetic is the right platform for you to do the generative visuals using artificial intelligence. What do you say?
Yeah, totally.
So, with this note, we would like to cop up this session and welcome, guys. Welcome to the future of creativity using AI.
If you have any questions, any doubt, you reach out to our Instagram page, reach out to our WhatsApp community, and yeah,
Yeah, sure. Do join our WhatsApp community, guys, because community needs to be established. Because coming the soon the era is coming of AI, people would be generating a lot of creative visuals using AI. So a community is a must thing, and we are launching our community in the Get Inspired section in our web page, and it will be beneficial for everyone. Thank you, guys, and see you.